So what are the top 3 ways in which your new patient visit is unique?
Well, I think the first thing is that I sit down and I find out what a patient's goals are as far as their dental health is concerned. The second thing that I think is very important is that my exam is designed to not only bring out how healthy they are, but what are the risk factors that are high in their health right now, and what can we do to lower those risk factors so that the disease doesn't return again in the future? And the last thing is that I like to do a complete systems exam. Nothing exists in a void. Your teeth, your gums, your bone, your joints, your muscles, they all interact. And I'm looking at that entire system, not only the individual parts, but how they all work together. And that's how we create balance for and beauty and function in a person's dental health.
Can you give me an example of some of the risk factors you mentioned?
Sure. Two of the most important risk factors are really how bacteria increases the risk of tooth decay as well as gum disease. So bacteria is a huge risk factor. It increases inflammation throughout your body, but it also is the prime source of gum disease as well as tooth decay. Another prime risk factor is whether a person clenches or grinds their teeth. The excess stress on the teeth in the chewing system will cause wear and over time deterioration, and that can really erode a person's smile and confidence over time.
Definitely. So you mentioned that you enter into a partnership with your patients. Can you describe that relationship?
I can. It's vitally important for me to make sure that I am helping a person reach their dental goals. It's really all about them and their agenda. So there are many different ways to solve dental problems. It's my job to help people understand what their problems are and what their options are. And then it's their job to choose what the best options are for them at that time and in the future.
Well, thank you so much for talking about your first patient visit. And if you're interested in joining the practice, you can visit www.lipkowitzdental.com.
Thank you, Karen. It's been great spending time with you today.
You as well.